Pakistan vs Ireland, third T20 match, schedule and best playing 11. Date 14 May, 7 p.m. Venue Castle Avenue Cricket Ground, Dublin. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Fakhar Zaman. Number 5 Azam Khan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Ahmed Wasim. Number 9 Shahin Afridi. Number 10 Abbas Afridi. Number 11 Nasim Shah. Ireland team best playing 11. Number 1 Andrew Balbirnie. Number 2 Paul Sterling. Number 3 Lurkan Dagar. Number 4 Harry Tector. Number 5 George Dockrell. Number 6 Curtis Kemper. Number 7 Mark Adair. Number 8 Gareth Delaney. Number 9 Graham Holmes. Number 10 Craig Young. Number 11 Benjamin White.